here, this is funny, there's a camel escaping.
Yeah.
This is what you want to watch. So on the way from the ship to the hotel, the car driver who was driving us down says, "Hey, does anyone want to go on a tour this afternoon to Petra or Wadi Rum?" And I said, "I do." Nobody else wanted to come along, so I've come along on a tour with an Israeli family who are over for the Israeli holiday, the Passover holiday. They're here in Jordan for about 5 days, and here we are back in Wadi Rum. I was here about a year and a half ago maybe, but now we're exploring new parts or new places for me in Wadi Rum that I've not been to before. So let's do some juggling shots. Here's Matt Damon in the movie The Martian looking at that rock, and in the background is that rock. Pretty good.
عندنا بدين people travel by camel and camel caravan. Almost they stop and they build description. There's another part, there's map and everything.
Yeah. So this is the Google Maps of the day.
Yeah, Google Map.
Oh yeah. Easier coming down than going up.
Yeah. Ah, come in!
This guy's a good one. Woo!
أنا لو وقت هناك لحالي. استنى ما أنا وقت أنا.
Good view? One more time, here we go. Oh no, I've lost one. Here, throw it here. Nice one. Whoa! I'm off. Get the juggling roll. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So down here is a place that we stop at to see the house of Lawrence of Arabia. But all I'm interested is looking behind me, and I'm pretty convinced from memory that this might be the place on Jeddah in Rogue One. Should be a big Imperial ship here. Last time I was here it was super hot and super sunny, and now it's really windy, a little bit of rain and pretty cold as well. And I didn't bring a jumper, so I'm getting a lot of goosebumps. I'm not even sure you can hear me, the window's so strong now. It's pretty busy at this spot, with good reason. There's a pretty cool rock formation just here. driving in would be peaceful except this. Woo! Yep! Woo! Is full of grit. Oh, my bag is full of.
Yo, it was really crazy, doesn't it?
It was quite. I mean,
why?
Did you do that on purpose? Did you drive under the helicopter on purpose just so I got like grit?
I told you move back. You didn't want.
You thought that you had a fight with a military helicopter.
Come and look it. It's a ride.
You guys are crazy. You don't drive under a helicopter when it's that close. This is Jordan, Israel, and Egypt. 3 countries in one view.
Saudi Arabia and the right.
Oh, and Saudi Arabia over here.
Bye.
Bye.
It was nice to be with you.
Oh, thank you very much. See you guys.
Bye.
Let's go.
Thank you very much.
No, my.
Hope you enjoy and nice to meet you. Isam Salama.
Isam Salama.
Yeah.
Okay. When you're in, when you want to go to Petra or Wadi Rum, this is the guy.
Yeah.
See you later, man. I just noticed that my hair is completely full of grit and sand. Oh man, that helicopter really did one on me.